Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. So, we'll continue our revision from chapter 18, Geography. And today we are going to revise heat zones of the earth and important parallels of latitudes. So, let's get started. So, children will start with the heat zones of the earth. There are three heat zones of the earth: torrid zone or the hot zone, frigid zone or the coldest zone, and third is temperate zone or the moderate zone. So, we'll start with the torrid zone. The word torrid means hot. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. It is the hottest zone of the world. Why it is called hottest zone? Because this area receives the direct sunlight. The noon sun shines vertically over this part of the earth. Means this region receives the maximum amount of heat. Second is the frigid zone or the coldest zone. It lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. It is the coldest part of the earth where the sun's rays are very slanting, means these areas receive extreme slanting rays of the sun. Here the summers are short and cold while winters are extremely cold. That's why this zone is called the coldest zone. Third is the temperate zone or the moderate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The sun is never overhead in this zone. It is neither very hot in summer nor very cold in winter. That's why it is called the moderate zone. So, children, today we have revised the heat zones of the earth, the three heat zones of the earth. First is the torrid zone, that is called the hottest zone also. Second is the frigid zone or the coldest zone, and third is the temperate zone or the moderate zone. Now, children, our next topic is the important parallels of latitudes. So, there are 5 important parallels of latitudes: equator, then Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. And the largest latitude is the largest parallels of latitude is the equator. We'll start with the equator now. The equator is the most important parallel of latitude. Parallels of latitude. It divides the earth into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere lies to the north of the equator, while the southern hemisphere lies to the south of the equator. The equator is drawn in the middle of the earth, halfway between North Pole and the South Pole. It is the largest latitude around the earth. Which one? The equator. Equator is the largest latitude. It is also called 0-degree latitude. The sun shines vertically over it throughout the year. Next is the Tropic of Cancer. It is situated at an angular distance of 23.5 degrees north in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost midway through India and it is situated at an angular distance of 23.5 degree north. In which hemisphere? In the northern hemisphere. Next is, third is the Tropic of Capricorn. It is situated at an angular distance of 23.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. Children, Tropic of Cancer is in the northern hemisphere, 23.5 degree north, and Tropic of Cancer is in southern hemisphere, 23.5 degree south. Tropic of Capricorn is in south, in southern hemisphere, and Tropic of Cancer, it is in northern hemisphere, 23.5 degree north. Capricorn in south and Tropic of Cancer in north. Last two are the 5th and 6th latitude are the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. The Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle are situated at 66.5 degree north, that is the Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degrees south, that is the Antarctic Circle. So these are the important parallels of latitude. You can see the diagram also. All the latitudes are given. Equator, then Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. Now children, today's homework. First of all, the one word answers. 3 I am giving you, and apart from these 3, I'll give you 2 more questions also in the PDF file. And in those questions, you have to draw, color and label the diagrams also. First, we'll start with the one word answers. Then I'll explain you rest of the 2 questions. Hottest zone of the earth, that is the torrid zone. Coldest zone is the frigid zone. The zone which is neither very hot nor very cold, this zone is temperate zone. Apart from these 3, the 2 more questions also I am giving you. The first question is, name the parallels of latitudes with the help of diagram. Children, in this question you will write the names of all the parallels of latitudes and you have to draw, color and label the diagram also. Don't forget to draw and color the diagram. In second question, you have to draw and color only the diagram. That question is, draw and color heat zones of the earth. So, this is all about today, children. Take care. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.